How to consume chia seeds. You've been eating chia seeds wrong, and it's quietly stopping your body from absorbing their nutrients. They can help with weight loss, gut health, and energy, but only if you use them the right way. If you're tossing them into your food without thinking, you might actually be blocking the benefits you want. Chia seeds are tiny, but pack a huge nutritional punch. Fiber, omega-3s, protein, antioxidants, and minerals your body needs daily. Studies show that soaking chia seeds can increase nutrient absorption by up to 30%. But here's the problem. Most people sprinkle them randomly, unaware that preparation controls nutrient absorption. The truth? How you prepare, when you eat, and what you pair them with makes all the difference. Today, I'm breaking down the right way to consume chia seeds so you can actually see the results you've been promised. The problem. Most people don't realize. Here's the thing. Chia seeds don't work the same for everyone. Eating them dry can upset your stomach and cause discomfort. Take too much and you'll feel bloated and sluggish. Mix with wrong foods and your body won't absorb nutrients properly. It's like owning a sports car, but never putting in the right fuel. Looks nice, but won't perform. I had a friend who ate spoonfuls of dry chia seeds daily, but felt constantly bloated and tired, until she learned to soak them properly. 1. Always soak your chia seeds first. The biggest mistake is eating them straight from the packet. Chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. Dry seeds pull moisture from your digestive tract, causing dehydration and constipation. Soaking breaks the seed's shell, making omega-3s, protein, and minerals easier to absorb. Here's how. Add 1 tablespoon chia seeds to 1/2 cup water or milk. Let sit for at least 20 minutes, or overnight for best texture. They're ready when gel-like. If you're ready to get the most out of chia seeds, hit like and share to help others learn too. Let's get into it. Pro tip. Soak in almond milk with cinnamon for a dessert-like flavor. Now that you know how to prepare chia seeds, let's talk about when to eat them for maximum effect. 2. The right time of day matters. Chia seeds work differently depending on when you eat them. Morning. Steady energy keeps you full till lunch. Afternoon. Prevents sugar cravings and crashes. Night. Supports digestion and stabilizes blood sugar during sleep. For weight loss and appetite control, mornings work best. Fiber slows digestion and reduces cravings. A chia pudding or smoothie keeps you satisfied without sugar crashes. 3. Pair them with the right foods. Chia seeds are nutrient-dense, but your body needs certain conditions to absorb the goodness. Pair with vitamin C-rich foods, berries, kiwi, orange, because vitamin C helps convert plant-based iron into absorbable forms. Combine with healthy fats, avocado, nuts, coconut milk to boost omega-3 benefits. Add protein sources, yogurt, protein shakes for a balanced meal. Example, chia soaked in coconut milk, topped with blueberries and walnuts. Fiber, healthy fats, protein, antioxidants in one bowl. 4. Watch your portion size. Chia seeds are healthy, but more isn't always better. Safe daily amount. 1 to 2 tablespoons. About 10 to 20 grams of fiber, nearly half your daily needs. Too much fiber at once can cause bloating, gas, or blockages without enough water. If new to chia, start with 1 teaspoon and slowly increase over a week. 5. Use them for specific health goals. Don't just sprinkle them randomly. Use chia seeds with intention. Weight loss. Mix with water and drink 30 minutes before meals to feel fuller faster. Research shows this practice can reduce calorie intake by up to 13%. Digestion. Soak overnight and eat with probiotic-rich yogurt to support gut bacteria. Energy. Add to smoothies with banana, spinach, and almond butter for a pre-workout boost. The way you eat chia seeds decides if they work for you or against you. 6. Cold versus hot. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are sensitive to heat. Above 150 degrees Celsius, omega-3 fatty acids degrade, lowering their anti-inflammatory effects. Add chia seeds after cooking oatmeal, soups, or baked goods. For example, cook oatmeal first, then stir in soaked chia seeds before serving. 7. Chia water. Quick energy drink. An easy way to consume chia. Add 1 tablespoon chia seeds to 1 glass of water. Let sit 20 minutes until gel forms. Add lemon juice and a pinch of honey. This hydrating drink keeps you full and delivers steady energy, perfect for hot days or pre-workout. 8. The overnight chia pudding trick. For a ready breakfast or snack, mix chia seeds with almond or coconut milk, add honey or maple syrup, stir, refrigerate overnight. Top with fruit, nuts, or dark chocolate shavings in the morning. Tastes like dessert, but is packed with fiber, healthy fats, and plant-based protein. 9. Combine with other superfoods. Chia seeds are powerful, but combined with others, they're better. Mix with flax seeds for a stronger omega-3 boost. Blend into green smoothies with spinach, kale, pineapple. Sprinkle over Greek yogurt with raw honey. Combining superfoods gives your body a broader spectrum of nutrients. The hydration rule. Drink enough water when eating chia seeds. Chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid. Without enough water, they can slow digestion and cause discomfort. Rule. Add an extra glass of water for every tablespoon of chia seeds you consume. Chia seeds aren't magic, but used right, they support weight management, digestion, energy, and heart health. The difference between chia seeds did nothing for me and chia seeds changed my health is knowing how to consume them properly. Once you nail soaking, pairing, timing, and portion size, you'll feel the difference in days. Your chia seed success formula. Always soak first. Eat at the right time. Pair with absorption boosters. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Stay hydrated. Follow these steps, and you'll finally get the results everyone talks about. With these simple but powerful changes, you're set to unlock chia seeds' true potential. Now you know how to consume chia seeds the right way. But that's just one piece of the puzzle. Want to learn about other superfoods that work just as well? Hit subscribe and watch my next video to transform your health. Don't just eat healthy, eat smart.